Welcome to River Highlands, where scenic views await. This brand new community in Suffolk, Virginia, offers spacious single-family homes with 1 or 2-story options. Part of our Smart Living collection, the community offers quality homes at an affordable price. At HHHunt, we believe it's how you live that matters, and you can be confident that you are making a smart decision with the Smart Living collection. River Highlands plans include new exterior designs and architectural details, as well as some fun interior selections. Be sure to talk to our new home advisor about this today. River Highlands will include several amenities such as trails, green space, playgrounds, and beautiful views of the natural marsh. This community is conveniently located near shopping, dining, and recreation. Enjoy easy access to your home destinations, including downtown Suffolk and Route 58. Become one of the first homeowners. Visit us at hhhunthomes.com to learn more. HHHunt, because it's how you live that matters.